Alright, I'm just testing this live function again. So this is nothing really cool, but it's more, the sound and what it looks like on the screen because I've got a lot bigger monitor than what you can actually see here. But if you want to watch this, stick around. But what I've coded, or I'm encoding, is a sort of virtual power system, sort of like what a control room would see. It's quite hefty. Processing now. I'm not sure doing this live like this would even um, say it's gone not responding. Can you see that? Yeah, there she is. Yeah, so I'll zoom out. Anyway, so you can see these are all circuit breakers and you know these are circuit breakers in substations, and these are transmission lines. So I'll have a quick play and I'll show you what it looks like when she's working. So building. I'll bring it into the field of view. What we can see so far, this is what I've got. So this one here is all the circuit breakers opening and closing. So it's sort of designed for multi monitor setup. So if I do that and then go back and find that, there you go. So that's that. Then you have to manage generation. So I'll bring this into screen. So right now I've got one generator going. So what you can see I've got a positive frequency. I've got a 50 hertz frequency system here, but because I've got higher than 50, it means I've got too much power in the network. You have to back it off a bit. So what we'll do is we'll bring it back just a little. So 60, so now it'll go below to 49. But I'm going to bring this one in just a little bit. But that's not really how power systems work. Well, the frequency bit's correct, but the so you can bring generation in is not. So the whole idea when you're actually running a system is you've got to set your generators up before the load is needed, but not too much, but just on time. You can see what's happening is in this, I've coded it to change demand as the time of day is. So you can see it's going down, it's sort of night time here, it's 8 o'clock, so it sees sort of after the peak, it's going to start dropping off. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of this, I'll hide that off the screen. And then, so if I bring this in, you can see more currents going down here now. Bring that in instance. It's not perfect, I haven't got everything coded in yet. So I've got to make sure it sees that the current can flow all the way through before it actually tries to put current down there, but not quite hit there yet. So anyway, that's what sort of at this stage. I think it's pretty cool. Bring that one in. They'll see the whole idea is if it's live, it goes blue, and if it becomes dead, it goes blue. But I haven't done them all yet. See, some of the lines I've done. See, that one's gone black. Black. Do you know what I mean? That sort of idea. But it takes time to get around the whole thing. Anyway, so I'm up to, so right now I'm trying to, as if all the breakers were closed, get the currents to chop around how they would. So, like I can see I've got 400 in here, then I'll lose 80, 81, then I've got 338 and lose another 122 amps. Then I've got 216 amps keep going on. And then I've got this 210 that comes through, but I'll lose 63. And then that comes in here, but it's a mates with what's left, and I've got 362. Anyway, that sort of thing. So what I'm going to do is code it to move all the way around, and then code it all the way back. As in the conditions type thing, and then start to fill in the gaps of where it doesn't work quite correctly. Because to do it, unfortunately, I haven't got a great way. what I'm doing is I'm checking the status of different circuit breakers and doing things. So these are for the individual, say, feeders. But then the lines between the terminal stations start to come into this section here. So I've got these massive ones. Like if this is true, this is true, this is true, and this is true, and if that one's true and that one's false. Yeah, so it's going to get pretty big. So I haven't, I've only got up to sort of the top right. Now we've come down and around. But when I've finished this, um, when I finish this sort of application, I've got pretty close. I'll put it on GitHub or something. Maybe someone can improve on it and make it a bit better. If you've watched this video, thank you for watching what you have, and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and come